Hey glams, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reinstalling my Diamond Dynasty hair. After giving this hair some well needed TLC, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look. So today's going to be a slight get ready with me. I haven't done a get ready with me in a while. Actually, I haven't done a lot of videos in a while, but I'm getting back. Trust that I am getting back. Slowly but surely, I'm going to do a life update because you guys need to know what's really going on. So anyways, this is what the hair is looking like after I bleached the knots. It looks a lot better. It wasn't the best. It still isn't the best, but it looked a lot better. So yeah, I'm going to color my wig cap. This is a new wig cap, so I'm going to color my wig cap with the color of my foundation so that I have that natural scalp illusion going on. And then after, I usually like to go over with a little bit of MAC Studio Fix powder just to kind of seal in the makeup and get it to look as natural as possible. Make sure that you definitely pin your hair back before you get ready to apply your lace, or just make sure you sleek the baby hair and all of that. Everything needs to be out of the way of the lace. Also, don't mind my orange ginger hair in the back. That I have a tutorial coming for as well, so stay tuned for that. You guys need to tell me if you're enjoying my how-to tutorials or if I should move on, because I haven't really been doing like makeup tutorials. I've more so been moved towards doing hair tutorials, and that is because of COVID. Obviously, like, I don't have too many places to go where wear my makeup. I don't know. I've been loving doing like the hair tutorials, but feel free to comment and let me know what you guys would like to see more of. If you want to see my vlogs, if you want a mix of both, like what is it you want to see? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss me. Am I the only person who seems to have like issues with just getting the lace to like lay seamlessly without any lifting? I always seem to have issues with laying the lace over here by my ear, like by the ear tabs. It's like a struggle for me. I know I'm not the only one. It's super annoying. Here I did realize that the camera actually chopped off the top part of my head, so I did have to adjust it. Sorry for that. Never know what I'm actually doing when it comes to these baby hairs. I am trying my best to perfect this baby hair game, but anyway, I don't really like a lot of baby hair. I like that natural type of couple swoops here and there, and that's all. So this is pretty much the end look for this hair after bleaching the knots. I cut a little bit more layers in it, gave it a nice shampoo and good condition, and this is what I got. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. The layers definitely gave this hair some life, so kudos for that. So you guys, this is pretty much it for today's video. If you haven't already, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on my instas. Love you.